Shall we? Yes, please come forward. She is going to explain about what is cybersecurity. Make intro of yourself and you can start your session.
Good morning, my name is Darshini. I am going to tell about what is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the process of protecting computers, mobile devices, servers, networks and other personal information about us. It helps us to secure data from hackers, viruses, malware and other online threats. It can be saved by using good practices such as strong passwords, antivirus softwares and encryption and software regular updation. It is important for individuals, governments, finances to keep the personal information safe and secure from the hackers. Thank you.
Hope you understand what is cybersecurity is. She is going to explain about the types of cybersecurity. What kind of security can be provided for what kind of data it is applicable. Few of the types and how it helps the human to secure the data she will explain. Introduce yourself and begin.
Good morning to everyone. I am Darshini. I am going to tell about 5 types of cybersecurity. So first will be network security. Network security is used to protect computer networks from hacker. Second will be application security. It is used to protect data and apps from the hackers. So third will be information security. It is used to protect data which we have been given to the websites and other apps. So fourth will be cloud security. It is used to protect data and information which we have stored in other websites. Finally, we are going to see endpoint security. It is used to protect devices like mobile phone, laptops and etc. Thank you.
Hope you might understand what is cybersecurity and it's a broader classification of what are the types of cybersecurity is. The security is a process of how we are protecting our own belongings from the theft. That was a core concept why the cybersecurity is needed. The security of the data doesn't mean that we are going to protect the data without the others' intervention. Say for an example, if I make my data visible to all, they may not be able to fetch all my data. Say for an example, if I write cybersecurity on the board, you can just see it, you can read it, you cannot access the cybersecurity. Am I right or wrong? You cannot be able to access the cybersecurity, whereas I can able to make it visible for all the users. But how we are trying to protect before that was accessed by an unauthorized person. To say for an example, this cybersecurity, whatever it is written in the board is my own words. Am I right? This is my own words, where it is only visible for you all, that is as a user, you can just see it, you can learn it and you can use it, but you cannot be able to fetch whatever I have written on the board. That was the ultimate theme of why the cybersecurity is given. This was core concept for easy understanding what the cybersecurity is. The thing is, the data, whatever it is visible to all, cannot be accessed by the individual person. Only the authorized person. Who is that authorized person? Either who is providing the data is an authorized person or whom they are providing is an authorized person. Because say for an example, when I send a WhatsApp to somebody else, X or Y, I am sending a WhatsApp message to X or Y. Only that X or Y can read and receive that message. Am I right? The intermediate, whoever belongs to the intermediary, even though your friends or relatives or your parents, they cannot be able to access the data, whatever you have transferred from one device to the another device. How it is safeguarding the data from the sender end to the receiver end. That was the core concept of why the cybersecurity was invented or why the cybersecurity has developed so much greater in the present scenario. When we are transmitting, hope you all know that in the WhatsApp message, even in WhatsApp message, you have a statement called end-to-end encryption. Am I right? You will have seen that in a WhatsApp stating that it is an end-to-end encryption. That encryption is a technique where we can able to provide a cybersecurity. sender end till the receiver end, they won't, others cannot able to intervene into it, and they cannot able to take or access the data whatever we are sending and receiving. That was the ultimate core of why the cyber security was invented, or it was developed in such a vast growth in a present scenario. Okay, you have any doubts on what is cyber security and what are the types of cyber security, you can ask. If we don't have any doubt, we conclude. Shall we? Thank you.